Member for Machakos County, what is the problem?
What about the dissenting voices, Shuan?
The speaker has no way of knowing who is dissenting. Yes. Go on, Kajwang. Yes. Yes, Ngusia, what is the problem?
Mr. Speaker,
TJ Kajwang, 1 minute.
I have come to make a very small presentation as the member of Ruaraka. First of all, having seen that the motion has been signed by 291 members, this House, single constituencies are 290. If 291 have signed and will vote, Gachagua must go. Number two, we have not come here to vilify anybody. We have come here with facts, we have come here with evidence, and we have come here with a law. I want to be in a country where my son and my daughter, if he qualifies and if he's eligible, will get employment, will do business, will walk proud and tall, not because he comes from Waondo village in Nyanza, but because she or he is eligible. This politics of everybody must come from Mount Kenya. Mount Kenya. Usiguze mlima. Usiguze milima. We must show, Mr. Speaker, that this country is for us all. We must show, Mr. Speaker, that there are no people who are entitled more than the others. That there are people who fought for Mau Mau more than the others. Or that there are people who are more populated than others. And so this idea that they work for Kenya Kwanza government and that they must eat, it is their time to eat. This deputy president his mentality is that he got votes for President Ruto, and so it is his time to eat. For that reason only, I would vote, because I want a situation after we are through with elections, everybody, including me, is served because I pay taxes like everybody else. For the deputy speaker to go to...
Yes, Wamchomba. There's a point of order.
Mr. Speaker, is the member on the floor